In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add PayPal to Google Wallet using an easy method. By following these straightforward steps, you'll be able to integrate PayPal into your Google Wallet quickly and efficiently, enhancing your online payment capabilities in just a few minutes. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open the Google Play Store on your smartphone or tablet. This is a very important first step and will be our gateway to accessing the settings we need. If you haven't already, make sure you're logged in with the Google account linked to your Google Wallet. This ensures we're working within the right ecosystem and streamlines the entire process. Once you're on the Google Play Store, look for the Payment Methods section. To get there, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. This will open a drop-down menu and you should see an option labeled Payments and Subscriptions. Go ahead and tap on that. It will take you to a new page where you'll have access to different payment options and instructions to manage them. On the Payments and Subscriptions page, you will see a variety of choices that let you add new payment methods or manage existing ones. What we're interested in here is the Payment Methods option. Tap on it and you'll be directed to the screen where you can see all the currently linked payment methods to your account. Now this is where we start to integrate PayPal. Look for a button or link that says Add Payment Method. Tap on that to open a list of available options you can add. From this list, select Add PayPal. It's usually one of the first options because of its popularity and widespread use, so you shouldn't have any trouble finding it. After selecting Add PayPal, you'll be prompted to log into your PayPal account. Go ahead and enter your PayPal credentials. Don't worry, this is a secure process. Enter your email address and password associated with your PayPal account. Once logged in, you might be asked to authorize Google Wallet to use your PayPal account for transactions. Simply grant the necessary permissions and you're almost done. After authorizing, your PayPal account will be added to your Google Wallet. You'll see it listed among your payment options. This new linkage allows you to make payments using PayPal directly through Google Wallet, providing a seamless payment experience for shopping, subscriptions, or in-app purchases. Congratulations, you've successfully added PayPal to your Google Wallet. It's a good idea to make a small purchase to ensure everything works smoothly. This integration takes just minutes and can significantly enhance your digital payment flexibility. Thank you for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing for more content.